Hey ladies and gentlemen, what in the world is going on? Somebody tell me where this seal learned how to do this. He must have been watching some do-it-yourself video, or he must have been watching somebody. Where did he pick this up? This seal look as if he has been doing this a long time. I don't know if this is real or this is some AI crazy stuff here, but I don't know if this behavior is real. If somebody is watching this video, comment below and let me know if you think this behavior is real or this is some AI generated stuff here, because this seal decided, you know what, I'm gonna start helping myself. I can't depend on those females to do nothing for me. I guess he must be fed up with his wife or his girlfriend or something like this. This seal has signed up for the DIY program, the do-it-yourself program, and he's doing a good job on himself. This is some crazy stuff right here. But I just had to shoot this video to put it out there, and guys, let me know what you think. Comment below the video. Let me know if this stuff is real or if it's fake.